Coming up.
Hi everyone, let's continue how we have to import data in Jamovi. And this is Jamovi I had already opened interface. You will click here on the right hand side top corner. There is the new open special import, save as and export. So I would like to open a file. If I would open from this PC, right, you can see these are the files already available and data library that is already available. Now we could see number one is I like it most Anderson Iris data that I had already used in my previous videos also. When I have recorded videos on RStudio, Python, so I have used this data. So these are the some columns you can see. This one is the sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and these are the species. And species you can say Setosa, and this one is the Virginica. So these are the species. So this one is the data set. I like it most. Then we come to the one more data set that is also available over here. And we will go there, open, and again data library. This one is the bugs. And now you can see this is the data set. There is the subject, gender, region, North America, Europe, and all these things. And further is the education that is the advanced college, high, some less, and LDLF, etc. LDHF and HDLF, and these are the some parameters on which they had collected this data. And further is there is the one more file I could see, that is the tooth growth, and this one is the supplements and the length, dose, and all these things. This is the data is available. I will show you in detail. And further is one more file. It is the big five. This is the data, right? There is the some variables are over here. These are observed. Now, this is the data set. Those are available in the software. But suppose we want to open a data set that is available in our PC. So let's say I want to open this data set that is dividend information, that is .csv file, right? Comma separated file. And this one is the .csv file. Moment I had opened, I had already published a research article on this data. This one is the dividend, this is the share market data, and this is the some parameters on which we could say whether this particular share will give you dividend or this particular share will not give you dividend. So accordingly we can forecast. 0 means not giving dividend, 1 means it's giving dividend. So these are the beneficial shares where we have to invest. So we had created model on the basis of this data and forecasting model, and I had applied artificial neural network on this. And after that we can do prediction of the market whether this would be successful or not. And our accuracy, this one is the accuracy of this particular model was 94%. So 94% our model was accurate, and we could say this particular dividend will give you profit. Next we come to the let me open, there is the one more file, that is .csv file we had already opened. Right. And other files also we can open. That is the special import, right? And here is the special import. Here is we can search any of the file, right? Documents in the R. So let me go back. And here is .xls file. Let me click over here. And this one is the .xls file, right? File is importing. And moment it will import, now we could see this is the file, right, that is imported, right, second half variable and all these things. And what is the beauty of this? Any variable or any column you can drop. Let's say I don't want to this column, right, and you can, this one is the, you can copy and paste in this column, and as well as you can delete any of the row or any of the this one is the delete row. I can do that, right? I will delete this row. I will press this OK. Now on the right hand side corner, sorry, left hand side corner, this one is, you can see variable and data. So moment you will click on the variables. So these all are the variables. Let's say I would like to define, edit these variables, right? I will click here. So measurement types, let's say I will click here dividend, right? So dividend is, that is the nominal data. Now I would press nominal data. So this is the dividend is the nominal data. Nominal data, why? Because we had categorized in this category 0 and 1. So that means there is the two categories. So this is the nominal data, and data type here is integer, decimal, and text. Let's say suppose any data set where you are using text. Text means we are talking about where is the any name of the name of the person, name of the shareholder, that would be, we are going to treat it as text, and this is the nominal data. But decimal data, when we are talking about, when it is the continuous data only, could be a decimal data. So let's say continuous data, decimal is right, that would be decimal data. Continuous data means actual, that is the absolute zero value we are going to measure, and decimal means up to what level, that would be, we are going to measure up to 2 decimal, 3 decimal, you are going to define here. Now moment we would click here right hand side, and p value, and this one is the number format, we are going to click here. So decimal places up to 2 decimal points, 3 decimal points, 4 decimal points, you can decide yourself. And after that you can run this, and this would, I'm going to just close this. I'm sure you could understand how we have to define this and missing values, etc. And here is, it is the data. Now you can see data, right? Data, you can be modified, and you can you can analyze this data. This is the data set. And further in my next video we would understand compute, transform, and other features also, add, delete, etc. We would understand, and we can rename also all those variables, and we would analyze entire data set. So I hope this video would be clear to you, and stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.